This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to take a look into what my natural nail care routine is. So I call this the Holy Trinity, the trifecta: pure Serenity builder gel, the base coat, and the top coat. This is what I attribute my very long and strong natural nails to. Now, as you see, all of these nails are natural, except for my right hand where there's a tiny tip. Like, not even a tip, but just like a tiny piece that's not my own. Now, safety first, y'all. To make sure you do not have an increase of allergies or anything like that, I always use my N95 mask and my safety goggles. So I'm going to use the lovely gloves that Mama Does Nails got for me to also ensure that not so much dust is touching my skin as well, to eliminate allergies. So I use it like double for the lamp and as well to limit the dust on my skin. So I'm going to my magical number 8 Infinity for when I'm using this safety carbide bit. This is what I use to take off all of the product on my nails. Well, not all, but all of the design and the nail art. We want to leave a little product because we're just doing a fill. We're not taking everything off. Now, I am preparing for a move to my in-laws, so I was packing boxes and moving things with these luscious long nails. Now, for natural nails, these are quite long, and I was hitting the point, like I bashed my ring finger really bad. You're gonna see later on in the video, it's a teensy bit red, but even as I'm recording this voiceover, it is so much less red. It's not as ouchy as it was before, but I am quickly just removing all of the product, and as well, I'm gonna be using so right now I'm using a safety bit. I'm gonna move on to a sanding band just to get like all the dead skin from my cuticle and all of that magic, but I will be getting a coarse bit out to completely reshape and take down some of this length. I want to shorten these bad boys. It was the worst timing with it being my birthday month and wanting to do birthday nails. I wanted to keep them long and gorgeous, but with this move, y'all, I can't leave this length. If I do, I will lose all of my natural nails in breaking. You guys know when you're packing, you can try to be as delicate as you want, but ish happens. So there are some really amazing things that are happening for the future of this channel. So we are going to be moving to our in-laws for the next half a year or so, but there is big things happening with a forever home. So I can't wait to share more details on that. But for now, we are moving to the in-laws as everything is being prepared. So I just wanted to make sure that I did a full reshaping. And there's something that the nail art educator, Susie, she had said in a light rocking motion, she uses the sanding band to kind of push back her cuticles, and she doesn't do crazy cuticle like nippers and stuff like that, not often. And as nail artists, we do our nails so much that I don't like to bring out those nippers unless I need them. So it probably won't be until next month manicure that I'll actually need the nippers to cut. But with this sanding band on 3, I'm able to do everything I need to create the perfect canvas. So I'm just ensuring that there's no lumps or bumps, no hills or valleys, so that I can create the perfect canvas for the base coat and builder gel marriage. Now, for this natural nail care routine, I am only going to be showing, so these are the steps that I would do before a full set, but I'm going to be putting top coat on instead of the color. If you guys are doing your own nails, you're going to want to buff and then put your color and top coat on. I am literally preparing my nails because I'm waiting for a special package, so I wanted to put the top coat on to seal everything as I'm waiting for the goodies. You already know what it is. I'm waiting for my lover, Madam Glam. So since I was talking about that majestic move we're doing and all of the packing, I am taking my coarse bit and and this killed me, y'all, because if you know when you grow your natural nails to cut them, it's like, oh, but I'm treating it like a trim in the hair salon. These babies are gonna grow back longer and stronger, but I do have to do a reshaping. There is no way, no how I can continue packing these boxes with the way my nails are. Like when I hit my ring finger recently, I was like, I thought I snapped the nail off. So when I looked at it and I didn't have any cracks or anything in the foundation, I was like, girl, you need to get to your nail studio with the quickness. Film this nail care routine before you got no nails. But this is also a huge testament to how strong Madame Glam's products are. I was banging my nails around, doing the most cleaning, packing boxes, and there was no issues, no chips, no nothing. And my natural nails were left so healthy. So I am like ridiculously impressed. So if you guys are really big into keeping your natural nails long and strong and safe and protected, I use Madame Glam's cuticle oil, and I really attribute, like, I have no lifting, no anything with their base coat, builder gel, whatever gel products I decide to use from them, and then the top coat. It is literally a marriage in heaven. I am like absolutely obsessed. Since I changed my nail care routine to using only Madame Glam products, I cannot get over, like, do you guys see this? I know I'm sawing away the goodness here, but do you see how long they've grown and so healthy? And with me taking off all of the product, basically, they're not floppy. Like, I'm able to still shape them, do all of that without any risk of cracking that natural nail. So I am, as you guys can hear, I am so in love. So this is my routine. Now, normally I wouldn't do a very much of shortening because I like to grow my natural nails as long as possible. But again, since we're preparing for the move, I wanted to give myself some baby almonds and just prepare for the new September collection. Now, we do things big and magical on this channel, so I am not going to just do one birthday look for myself. I am going to at least do 2. I want to say 3, but I don't know if your girl has it in her with the move and everything else. But I wanted to do one look that was like very long, and I have these gorgeous tapered stilettos or these long coffins that I was thinking about. But since we are doing the move, and I would hate to do like all this beautiful work and then have them break on me with the move. So first I'm going to do like a really gorgeous birthday look with the new collection coming. And then once I'm settled at the in-laws, that's when I'm going to do my secondary look, birthday look. So I am so excited. So my birthday is upcoming September 13th. And I just thought, what better way to prepare for Madame Glam's new launch September 1st and all of the goodies of my birthday month than to prepare my phalanges for all of the goodness. So I have already taken off all of the additional product. I only have like a thin layer of product on my nails. As you see, that's my problem child right there, that ring finger. So on the side, there's like a tiny, teensy tiny little red line from where I dropped a box on my hand. But luckily, as I said today, as we're speaking, it is not so red and angry, so I am very happy. I took out my rubbing alcohol, and I am quickly this is a really good way of taking some natural oils off of your nails, and as well, making sure there's not additional dust. Now, I am ridiculously impressed because just by using alcohol and then going in with the base coat, I have no lifting. So I'm not using a dehydrator or primer. So I am still yet to find a dehydrator and primer that works with me, that doesn't cause reactions. So as soon as I do find that, I will add that to my care system. But right now, I don't need it. I keep my nails for 3 weeks to a month, and I have no lifting. Sometimes I got some crusty molesties, the grossty. That's what our sisters say, the evil crusties from, like, sometimes you have a little bit of like top coat or something that's kind of gotten around the cuticle that you can't quite see until it grows out. But I do not have any lifting, so I am very impressed with this product. So as you see, I'm kind of like gripping, like we're acting like we are a wrestler, WrestleMania, and I'm gripping my sidewalls just to ensure that no product is getting there. But I will take my gloved hand and kind of ensure that there's no product on those sides. But just applying a thin, even coat of this base gel, the base coat, we are creating the gorgeous base, that foundation. And then we're going to go on with that pure Serenity builder gel. Now this builder gel you guys have seen featured on the channel before. We've made rings with them. We have done so many things, but this builder gel in a bottle is my favorite. Now you can work in steps. So if you're doing a longer set and you, for instance, want to create an apex, you don't have to go in with all the product at once. I actually like to layer. And that's how I find that I get the best apex. But since these babies are short, I did not have to worry too much, but I still wanted to ensure that we had those gorgeous curves, if you know what I mean. When you look at it in like the horizontal or the side view and you just see that gorgeous shape. So I was just ensuring that it was as close to perfection without filing, because I will do a light buffing before I apply my product. But again, this is just my natural nail care routine. So I'm showing you more of my overlay steps and how I prep my nails before I do the gorgeous nail art. So here is this is the showstopper for the day. The pure Serenity builder gel in a bottle. I do not go anywhere without this. You best believe, even in this move we're doing, I have like a little bag that I'm having with me that I'm carrying, and it's like a safety, like it has the little gel lamp that I got from them during the Advent calendar series. It has like a top coat, base coat, the pure Serenity builder gel, and a couple of goodies, because like I have FOMO. Like I swear it's like a safety blanket. I need to bring my Madam Glam with me. I'm like, it's all good if it takes a little bit to unpack certain things, but I need to have my essentials. You can't blame a girl. I'm in love. So I am just quickly ensuring, so I'm looking there to make sure that side profile is what I want. And again, after I do the final shaping, again, it will be like that end of perfection, but I just want to make sure that it is looking how we want her. So I popped her in the Kier Sky Lamp for 1 minute, and that is cured to perfection. So wiping off the side, so one side's completely clean and one side has the product, we are gently and smoothly working up the nail. And as you see, that's where you can see the thickness of the product. And we are just gently putting the most glorious coat on there so that we can have something to add strength to our nails. I am also very impressed with the longevity, like how much you get in a bottle. I am pretty sure I've been using this for almost half a year now, and I have a lot more sets left in this bottle. So I am not only impressed with how like the longevity of the product, and like that goes both ways. So how long my manicures last, and as well as how long the bottle lasts. And again, I would be amiss without reminding all of the beautiful humans watching today, because I know we probably have some beautiful new viewers and our OG family members. And for the new viewers, you can become a family member. All you gotta do is click that subscribe button and you are instantly added to the nail family. We are a gorgeous family over here, filled with all of the love and support, and we would love to have you. So as you see, I am just ensuring that all of that product is on my nails. It's very thin at the cuticle area. We don't want a whole seeping, like a bump of that product on that area. The only like lump or bump you want is at the apex, and that's going to be a smooth transition, right? You don't want a lot of product at that base coat. So at this point here, I would actually buff and then put my color, so whatever nail art I wanted. But since we are just sealing these amazing phalanges for when my Madam Glam package arrives, we are going to use my favorite, the no wipe top coat, to seal everything in and make sure that she stays perfect until I receive the new collection. So I can't get over, like every single one of these products are my absolute favorite, and that's why I call it the Holy Trinity, because my nail sets, they wouldn't be the same without them. And that's because you need an amazing base for your foundation, which is the base coat. And no matter what amazing nail art you do, you need to seal that bad boy in. So that's either with the no wipe top coat or their award-winning velvet matte that just has your heart swooning. Yes, Envy, honey, you have changed me. I am not only a glossy addict, I am also obsessed with matte. So using a pinching motion, I am going to those sidewalls, ensuring if there's anything that has cured to my natural nails, that we are going to take a file and just ensure that that product is gone. This also ensures that you don't really have any bad, you don't have any reactions or any issues with lifting. Lifting is a huge thing, and if you have product on your sidewalls or cuticles, you have a higher chance of that product lifting, whether that be at the cuticles or the sidewalls. So you want to make sure that it is absolutely perfect. And even if you did your design, so your nail art, and top coat it, I still suggest you go in there with that little bit of a file and just ensure that everything is perfect. Now I'm going in with my Dr. Bronner's. I am obsessed. This is all natural, y'all. You can use this to clean your clothes, you can wash the floor with it, and you can most definitely wash your phalanges. So this is all natural, and actually where we're going to be moving. So that will be a big announcement that I'm going to save for another video. But out west, you have to be very careful. Like your shampoos, your products have to be sulfate free. You have to make sure that everything is environmentally conscious, because again, out west, you can't be having things seep into the soils or affect the wildlife. So we've already started now, even, a good half a year before we do our big move, to start, well, we've been doing this for a long while now, but to be very conscious of the products we're using. So as you see, oh my goodness, you have to use their cuticle oil. I am absolutely obsessed. I got that in the Advent Calendar series, and this is the top secret nail care routine that just keeps my nails so long and strong. And as you saw before I cut them, they were incredibly long for natural nails, and there was no cracks, no nothing. So I am just in love with Madam Glam products and what they can do for your natural nails. And even if you're using extensions and things like that, your natural nails need a good base. And as well, Mama Does Nails, she's given an amazing review on the Louse rubber base coat. This is essential for all nail techs that are changing out their designs frequently. That actually really helps with brittle nails and to keep from your natural nail being ripped at. So that, again, that's a game changer and should be added to this holy trinity here. So I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this more in-depth look on how I prepare my nails before I do a set. And I did include my code earlier on, but please feel free as well to use my sister's codes. I've left all that information in the description box below, but that's Mama Does Nails 30_1 and Priya 30. Oh, I just, honestly, guys, my nail family, you guys are my world. Like, I love you dolls from the bottom of my heart. And I just hope that this video found you so well, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. We have so much fun coming. We have the new September collection. We have Moana characters still yet to come. We have birthday sets, y'all. So please, please do not, don't miss out. Make sure you got you don't want to have FOMO like I do. Make sure you have your subscription on and that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And remember, do all things with love. I pray this video found you so well, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.